This brand is from Heat Transfer Products, which is a part of Ariston Thermo, and the water heaters are sold through a limited dealer network. They feature durable stainless steel tanks that are backed by a lifetime guarantee when they are registered in titanium low-watt density elements for durability. The Everlast models are basic water heaters, while the Everlast Elevate model features flexible capacity where the same tank can produce from 55 to 100 gallons of hot water based on the setting of the thermostats. They have a mixing valve that prevents scalding and allows the tank to store water at temperatures up to 170 degrees to provide the extended capacity. This can be the last hot water heater that you ever need, as, if and when the hot water needs of the home change, the capacity of the unit can be changed to meet the new demand. The Elevate Demand Response model features electronic controls with a communicating port for utility company demand response programs. The unit features an iMemory self-learning algorithm which learns the usage patterns of hot water in the home and adjusts the water heater settings to meet demand while saving energy. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.